This is our front porch. We've got snow in here. My feet are sinking into the snow, as you can see. And that snow drift right there is pretty high. Little Frosty over here is buried. You can see how deep my feet went there. Beautiful. You can see the snow falling. And this is Lauren protected. I don't know the easiest way to get out of here so I can show you the rest.